Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this week's Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you this week with a fine one, a dandy if there ever was one, from our friends at Rorschach Brewery on the east side of Toronto in one of our favorite neighborhoods. You've got it, Leslieville. Rorschach, awesome brewery. If you haven't been, you gotta go. Perhaps one of the more experimental craft breweries in all of Toronto. They got a wide selection and they definitely have something for everyone. So have a bit of a more of a classic style. We got a Pacific Pilsner coming at you with a very apt, appropriate name. This guy is named Wanderlust. And why is that apt and appropriate? Well, we're still in the middle of the COVID pandemic. And I think everyone's getting a little bit of crazy cabin fever after over a year of this, and the Wanderlust level is at the tippy top. So let's try this beautiful Pacific Pilsner. Again, Pilsners really are the cool kid on the block. I mean, it's fair to say that the IPA is still the king of craft beer. It's definitely still dominating the sales department of probably most craft breweries in terms of, I poured that quite poorly, but we'll still give it a go. The IPA is still the king of craft beer. Still is, probably still will be for a while. Well, lagers are starting to come back, particularly in the craft beer world, and particularly the Pilsner. I'm gonna take a lovely little sippy sip. That is super lovely, super crisp. Got some nice lemony, zesty flavors there, but super bready. It's an awesome, super amazing Pilsner. So Rorschach can't say enough of the awesome staff, the wonderful craft beer, the amazing experimental stuff. No matter what your preferences are, if you're more into sours, if you're more into IPAs, if you're more of a lager guy or gal, Rorschach's the place for you. So I'm gonna finish this beautiful Pilsner and we'll see you next time. But remember, craft beer is here.